We start by ascending up to the casualty in ascent mode with the Petzl ASAP as our backup. Ascend until we are roughly 2 feet above the victim. Then change over to descent mode. Clear the ropes so that they are not trapped between the rescuer and the victim. Install the casualty's ID below their crawl and remove any excess slack. Attach the Petzl jag to the casualty's main rope above their crawl. Attach the other end of the jag to the casualty's sternal D-ring. Transfer their weight to the jag by hauling with the jag in progress capture mode. Remove the rope from the crawl. Then transfer the victim onto their ID with the jag and remove it. We now attach a lanyard connection from our waist D-ring to the waist D-ring of the casualty. Next, we connect an extra carabiner to the ID and into the victim's sternal D-ring. If extra length is preferred, a 2-carabiner chain is acceptable for this connection. We transfer the casualty's weight onto our system by releasing their ID. Then the casualty's equipment can be removed from their ropes. Clear the ropes to the appropriate side. Then add a friction carabiner for the tail rope of our ID. After making sure the ASAP is not in lock position, we descend with the casualty. Once we can stand on the ground, it's possible to disconnect from the system and leave the casualty partially supported by the ropes. Make sure to use good casualty management throughout the rescue and when lowering the victim to the ground. When specialized rescue equipment is not on hand, we can use an alternate method for unweighting the casualty by using a foot loop. Attach the foot loop to the casualty's hand ascender on the main rope. Thread the foot loop through the casualty's sternal D-ring, then back through the carabiner on the hand ascender. Step into the foot loop and raise the casualty enough to unweight the crawl. Remove the casualty's main rope from the crawl. Lastly, transfer the weight to the ID by lowering the foot loop. Another method to unweight the crawl is to use a length of cord. Attach the cord to the casualty's hand ascender on the main rope with a carabiner. Thread the cord through the casualty's sternal D-ring, then back through the carabiner on the hand ascender. Make an additional wrap to increase the mechanical advantage. Pull down on the cord and raise the casualty enough to unweight the crawl. Remove the casualty's main rope from the crawl. Then transfer the weight to the ID by lowering the cord.